Hello friends, I'm Nongabiri. So this is day 2, ratio and proportion. So sigi class asida mayamna ratio and proportion ki matangna khangba yaba le khangorji basic mayam do ko. Nahangai khangbaduga hena khangagazu hena khangba oinaba oirakpasu yai aduga khangdra kanunta khangdeba anongba mi orgazu adum sigi class yarga hena adum khangani. So please share it guys. I hajaje mayam share do you kanab lamuna si koida share ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ. So let us start the session. Before that, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ class ꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ evening batch ꯇꯣ date 20 ꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯅꯤ. ꯄꯨꯡ 2:30 ꯗꯩꯅ PM ꯗꯩꯅ 4 ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯤ. duration 7 months ꯅꯤ. ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ number ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯗ 7005497765 ꯗ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ WhatsApp ꯊꯥꯖꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ. So ratio and proportion, it's very important chapter for every exam. SSC natana being the jam kani being the jam to in hum question ni ka. So ratio and proportion haragadi A B have any layers. Mabani ratio is 2:3 the layer kalo. So the B C harakan 4:5 the layers has a question A is to B is to C. Ang bottom da irai my hot in harakanda. Han ratio is kaino han harake. A is lupa chani pairepa. B is lupa chahum paireva. Aduragadi Aquina Mabanese sang on with the neighbor. 2:3 has a Thunder Ganda 2:3 Titan and the sang on with the Bukina ratio Harkan Mabani bought Anigi and Rahung and the Maniwigra ratio and proportionally sang on by Mon Tamdeze. An original number Sinamagi unit Nataneva. So question Gantarnico ratio is a kind of a simplest form da Quina sang on number the book when a ratio Harkane. Aduga Makatarakoda ratio da hojaki A is to B 2:3 B is to C na 4:5 haraji A B C puto haragadi kama hotkani harkanda A is to B is to C puto haraji. So in this case we all know that mana palm is B is a common oil brasida B is a common oil ko. So B is a common oil rabnina mabani je common oil haragadi sab mana ine B je A ga B ga sang ona bani sina B ga C ko onja bani adu ko no moi plug all agadi kya ta do no hangbane adu B ga mana bani na B is equal to B ni na mabani je mana de basda mana hanom da ka lere 2 ga 3 ga mana haragadi ai tatana haijaduni the 3 na ko multiply to biro 2 na ko multiply to ro mana re to 2 ga 3 6 tare da minus 4 jina hongi ratio ni da 4 na multiply to biro 3 na somda na multiply to ro 4 to 8 it is 12 12 10. So A is to B is to C is 8 is to 12 is to 10 tare. Another way of approach the A B C sumain thambiro 2 ga 3 ga thambiro B ga C na 4 ga 5 ga thambiro sumaina just cross multiply to 4 to ja don't multiply to 4 3 ja don't multiply to 5 3 ja 15. So this is how ratio is hungi form to ga hargadi sumaina form to ne. So I hope you can understand how ratio is formed now. Ready khoi fraction da piramagadi kamai tawba A is to B is to C harjaba mana 1/2 1/3 1/4 fraction na tabdo on tho haragadi ihan han denominator je is LCM lobiro LCM logo haragadi 2 ne 3 ne 4 ne lowest common multiple haibane the number is the quite chawa number lobiro 4 the 4 je 2 na divide away yai ko 2 ji yeng biro no 3 na divide away yade the 4 je double karo 8 3 yabra yadri 3 times from karji 4 is 12 3 divide to yarba LCM becomes 12 12 thambiro 2 na se divide to 2 6 ja 12 6 thambiro 3 on divide to 3 4 ja 12 4 on divide to 4 3 12 aduna 6 is to 4 is to 3 is the fraction dagi khona minor ratio same ya em ya ni ko. So let us start the question. Na kamai hang ba ya na. The ratio of number of students in a class A and B and C. Class A ado ain haijage ratio the just unit me amje in number ne loi khalo do ko na akoina ko na 7x 9x 11x ka lawgi mathau kam naite. Just think these are the numbers A B C have je unit nga tane unit ta hana sanaji original number na kon patok se ko an A B C ratio je 7 ne 9 ne 11 hai. If number is increase A is na 10% henkal le, B is na 15% henkal le, C is 25% henkal le. So then the new ratio do ainan percentage da ka increase decrease ke me high jagre ko. So let us see 7 kya henkal le 10% di 1 by 10 11 by 10 la ani. So B is na kya henkal le 15%. Sama da trauma henkal le di sam trauma divided by 100. And see video yang body mamangi percentage yang biu percentage increase decrease for taxa gram ni see di 11 ni into 25% ni kya gamane ba 1 by 4 increase kya la ni 5 by 4. So di kakthana ya ba kakthana ji hai di kakya uji kana kakwe je kana 20 ga 5 to 10 5 to 15 5 4 za 20 no 5 to 10 11 makha da lai bujing je kakthana bi ai nana 2 to 4 5 to 10 to 10 to 20 5 to 10. So the nasagi na fraction taksu tare 11 into 7 kya tare 27 by 5 to 9 3 7 9 to 18 18 plus 2 the 07 80 divided by next 11 5 is 55 by 2 is higher LCM lower ji makha gi je LCM lower gadi 10 tare ina divide taro gadi 5 2 is 10 2 adu gi 2 do divide out the phang ba 2 do na mo da multiply taro 2 7 is 14 2 7 14 184 154. So 10 divided by 1 tare 1 into this is 207 2 divided by 5 5 5 25 25 7. So the kram yaw re option number B. I am here mani ko and fraction gi jo sum hot pa he ni it was very easy. You don't need to take 7x 9x and 11x na do hobe man tholoi te percentage ki para do yam na dum link le ka ni ko man ko thana lo re mathak le ba kangu mathak ta kakna bi ai makha le kangu na makha le kakna bi ai ratio da. Next question. The ratio of men and women in a group is aduga akoina 2 ga 3 ga sman lai re khalo ratio je 20 ga 30 ga ibu jo 4 6 ibu jo have magi multiple any multiple this number is 10 na multiply to bi 5 na multiply to gara to ga this is to gani si to gani ko adu phang pa any form da lai bi ai ratio de so na akang na laite. The ratio of men and women ga 5 ka 2 ga lai hai. If 6 men and 6 women left nupa taruk nupi taruk chakre 6 men is then the ratio becomes 8 is to 3 8 to 3 thore one is chakra matung da ni ko find the total number of people in the group initially hana kyam na ram ga hai. So chakra matung da sidi hana gi du ne ko hana prem ratio du ne ba smallest form du ne ba 5 ka 2 ka kakna ba yadre da na ana ina ti mo tai mana khan ge ko ina ining ngong du iya have na 10 hai ra ge sina 5 to 10 2 to 4 hai ra du di isu samai sem ba ai adai di 20 8 ka na sem ba jo mo tham ba ai ba ko ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯒꯦꯞꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯒꯦꯞꯇꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯒꯦꯞꯀ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒ 5ꯀ 2ꯒ ꯒꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ 3 ꯂꯩ 8ꯀ 3ꯒ ꯒꯦꯞꯇꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩ 5 ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟ ꯆꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯕꯥꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 5ꯀ 3ꯒꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ 5ꯅ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ 3ꯅ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ 5 3 15 3 5 15 ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ 5 5 25 5 2 10 3 24 3 9 ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯤ 15 ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯣ ꯃꯤ 14ꯗꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯐ 6 men left and 6 women left ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯤ 3ꯀ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯠ ꯇꯝꯃꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 5 ꯂ 4 ꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯇꯝꯃꯛ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯒ 3ꯀ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ find the total number of people in the initial group tadi hana sige leramine 25 ka 10 ga pulaga tinjanaga 35 tare 6 2 divided 1 to 30 6 5 30 6 18 0 so C is the correct answer amaina hotpana yam phai ko duna tabida noina equation palo haragana equation panba ai hai tabna thamayam ju equation panba kesu luba thabak nate ko equation sum pa leragadi pekha du equation on grane ba equation sum pan leba matam natre hojikte so we don't need any equation just think yad kan equation punch 5x aduga 2x harajeba dagi 6 men left have ne mai mi taru sakre mai mi taru sakre aduga 8 is to 3 the you can find out the value of x from here here ko mai hopa ju kasu kai the equation find sata equation hagan income of A is 40% less than income of B income and expenditure hagan ina A ga B ga hagan 40% है लेस है कई है 100 दे खाई दो है बने 60% तारे 60% है गदे 60 by 100 है बने अब थन रकांडा 2 3 6 2 5 10 तारे अना लेस है न A is less है बने अदि A गिदि 3 और मने अमना 5 और मने लेस है न लेस पिबिरो अमदुना 5 तो पिबिरो द को गया था द मथौ लेते an expenditure of A is 40% of more high de ko sida more high rak pam yaw de sida less high bo ai khaib do kenayaba 40% less pulap pa gadamne 40% dang hai pulap pa da sidang pa lo re 40% hai da kya mana 40 divided by 100 hai bani to the 4 to 5 10 so then the expenditure of A hai A ki expenditure of 40% of B gan abdi A do 2 la ni A ki expenditure 2 amana 5 ne B expenditure income of A steps 70% of B income of A is 70% 70% is 7 by 10 then find the ratio between saving of A and amasung B now I want a pyramid is the pyramid income of A ki income to B ki expenditure do 7 is to 10 laini hybrid 70% harga dia B gi na tara ba tamda A gi na 7 oini haineba ado okhoi dadi oibre C gi na man haije they are choosing targeting this figure the neighbor with the 3 ga 5 point A gi income ga B gi expenditure yem da adi hana mamane je na form da 7 to 10 tham ga ga di I should multiply here by anan hana man halaji 5 na multiply to ni then klam multiply to 3 na multiply to 5 is 15 3 5 15 mana re da na adu mo khone hoje mana gram na saving mong da sem ya re A gi income do na 7 na multiply to ge B गी expenditure 10 multiply तौरगा अदुदी माना रेदना this is how अदु सिदा लरिबजे लरिबा अनि गी multiplying factor हायर द सेनि जिको यको सिदा कथर पे है so this is ultimate multiplying factor now multiply 7 3 जा 7 3 21 7 5 35 3 to 6 6 to 12 6 5 to 30 मुगी नो हंगबनी इनकम दे एक्सपेंडिचर खाइदोकन सेविंग फंगनी 9 फंगे आंसर से तारे खाइदोगदी 5 फंगे नेक्स्ट टू 5 यानी को अदो सिजो एकदम केनो सेमके इक्वेशन सेम बायदि मयाम दम राला इक्वेशन सेमम गेदो ने होपियो मयाम दम इक्वेशन सेम बायदि दम पामयो is 40% less than income of B have the same 40% less have na 60 by 100 hai na so this is 236 to 510 hai never so let price x and 5x be the income of A and B hai never ko A expenditure ki namu 40% hai 40% hai 40 by 100 have na 510 so let y and 5y be the expenditure of A and B has you. If A saves 70% of the expenditure have ko A ge mana pirame 70% of the expenditure of B A ge income ga B ge expenditure ga dono kya pirame ba 20% hai 7 is to 10 lani income ko 70% 7 by 10 taina find the ratio between saving of A and B have ni sigi ratio same tare akoina A gi income di ke logi ba dx divided by the expenditure ke no 5y equal to 7 by 10 lani you can find out the value of x y gi ratio phangani sidagi aduga option laga dum taba yare ratio level very easy question yani ko so let us find out aduga when x y gi value phang pada x y gi value je phangani dei ko you will get x y gi ratio phangani adu A income nam answer ke lakan hai kan thrice x A income dagi A gi expenditure twice y is to 5x minus 5y the answer put hoga ang answer tani se jo I hope you can understand this next some amount of x was divided among A B C D in the ratio 1 by 5 1 by 2 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 if the difference between the share of A ga C ga A C is 560 and find total amount of x the total amount do adu putho hai bani yare ha ma da fraction ki ta kren sa gi do this number is quite chawa number 5 ni 5 से नाम divide तो गया 10 ला गए double करो 5 to the 10 मान divide तो गया रे सी ये मोनो 5 3 to 15 मान यार है 5 4 20 यार बा 20 से 20 से 3 divide तो गया दिन तो ये यहाँ तो 5 to 15 to 10 5 4 20 और क्या लाने 5 6 30 30 है वो numbers दे 30 है numbers di mana ju divide to ye mana ju yai man ya de kon ya de ko 60 har di yara ba 5 na divide to ye 2 na divide to ye 10 divide to ye kon ju yai an khwadi pick pa number mo man divide to ya number du khoina dai go ga kan da LCM har khang ne du khang ra na 5 ne 2 ne 3 ne 4 ne LCM mai na 2 na lo ro da da ben tham bi ro jadi ya maka ta 2 5 10 10 3 30 32 to 60 seman to jai ko LCM जो क्या आता है 60 डिवाइड और इसमें 5 12 60 2 30 60 3 20 60 4 15 जा नाउ फर्स्ट का थर्ड का डिफरेंस है कोई रेशियो सी का डिफरेंस क्या है निपान लेब्रा निपान जगह 560 का माने है टोटल है मनी टोटल होगा दी 12 plus 30 plus 20 plus 15, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 6, 27. Tell the 7 tare. 5, 6, 0 divided by 8 to 77. 8, 7 is 56. 7, 0, 59. 9, and how 7, 7, 49 like that. The whole sit down. Yeah, like question. Three numbers are in the ratio 2, 3, 5 to 2 and have the let's focus on the unit do ko na sana 2, 3, 5. The sum of the square of these numbers are at 6 square 4 tare, 6 square 9 tare, 6 square 25 tare. Koi tijnar kya tage koi de 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 5 13, 25 ka 38 tare ko. Club tijnar 38 tare. Ra. 8 tare. And the 38 units siga mana is siga mana 3, 4, 2 ga. So the sum of the numbers have ni 2 plus 3 plus 5 t tara anatra 3, 4, 2 divided by 38 to 10. 19 na kaya brings 10 na 3, 4, 2 8 kum 8 3, 4, 2 da aina 38 in jalagadi 80 tadra means 38 into 9 is 90 tare. The sum of three numbers. It should be 9, 10, 10. This should be 90. Lala. I hope this is correct. 2, 3, 5 later. 2 is a 4. 3 is a 9. 5, 5, 25. 4 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 25. 8 so me 8 ko siga manar gadi na palm is the n units kya na hungni sum of the numbers are na 342 divided by 38 into 10 8 into 9 is 342 ni 90 tagadam it should be 90 right so 90 or the analysis back content 25 50 paisa and 1 rupee coin 25 pies na value ni ko na value da amana 50 pies amana 1 rupees 100 pies ka mani dana so these are the values and number of the ratio of coin to number of coin na 10 5 everyone knows that this is topa ratio money is topa ratio money tongan kaino total value have level total value is some have that if you have 10 rupees not 20 paeva adu lupa kya aata hai chani tadra how do you know multiply the value with the number of notes into will give you total value do natra value ga number notes ka multiply to kanda si pangani 25 into 10 50 into 5 100 into 2 kakthane aba kakthana je 25 125 25 to 50 25 into 4 akha tan kak yari ba yai 2 5 to 10 1 to 2 are so 5 is to 5 is to 4 tare so ratio je and total number of coin in the back number of coin do kya legi ko lupa kya le khoi de 112 ne so find total number of coins yeng do ni na 112 da akhoi gi agi pa kya le 5 5 plus 4 5 plus 5 plus tabra 14 the 112 rupees 5 से तो क्या था ने 12 divided by 14 into 8 is 112, 8 5 is 40. So there are 10 rupees 40 p. Arba 8 5 is 40. This is what 40 rupees 40 phangani. So 4 is what lem hori bu ta 40 plus 40 is 80 ni. 1 2 the 80 khaido kadi un try thoi taraba tare ko try rupees bhani. So sigi 25 paisa coin je rupees 40 di lupa mada coin marina sai paisa segi jabi di ko 25 coin adu di 4 na multiply to ne 160 coin le ne akai jabi ani na sai into 2 la ne 80 coins la ne sidi coin lupa am sa ne 32 coin le 160 2 2 6 plus 8 14 14 plus 7 72 tare 272 272 tagada I'm Yanika. So cow value doesn't sanobo. You don't need to put X, Y, Z, anything here. Just put the value at the last end. Just play with the my can the sanobo. Units in the units from sanobo. Matang question of Taurus. The number of village the number of people in a village is 6400 6400. If the ratio of the then male to female population X plus 2 so male the female na X plus 4 and the value of X to kaya no hai ai sum khallagi ko amana X plus 2 kitani amana X plus 4 ne ba adudi sidagi then the value of X ai low ra je ko X ki value the sig number se question jam karna da karai da 64000 64000 2 no ko divide karo mabani je population mane khala je 3200 ta da karigumba mabani ki population chap mane ha ga di 3200 odoi ne mana 3200 dum warga di answer loira bane adubo mabani ki answer da horen kha khelak to jina kaina hade mabani ki value je manabam dile ngoni ba manaba ko aina ke haiji ga kanda plus keno to salakanda mana do ne ba so if I take this answer as this 3204 ne khala je 3204 je option ne khala je plus 2 to salani na enkalani ko ready 3204 na plus 4 to salani kalak pra enkalai dana so population hen to kidra not my option so let me take sigi tang tam lor je sigi lor je 3197 319 mangondana ani hapak to ni plus 2 lak to ni plus 4 lak to ni adu ergadi emi am tin general kanda sigi population tabri yang lo eregi the right choice 7 yung ko last is method 7 plus 2 9 7 plus 4 11 11 1 ga 9 0 ga 0 ta idana so this is the answer never no see question ji yeng matam no sai dum option je dum direct have I just explain once again x ki value putho hai ni anaram ngani manhalaji kya da manana 3200 da manana 3200 da the 3200 da plus to lagadi hen to kani cannot be this answer oibe yaro 3200 ga sigadi amha mani oju oero 3201 ju oero monde handani havani ki oibe yengani oirame 3197 da plus 2 hape amana 3197 x ki value disa manina plus 4 hape aduga manaba yengkana tayaba ni lut kana si tayaba way you can solve this question next question yang ase total income of A and B yes income of A and B the 5000 ne ko A saves 20% and B saves 30% A ki savings na to A ki savings na A amasung B has ko A ki savings na 20% save to mana 30% save to and the saving are in the ratio 4:9. One ratio though 4:9 to 9. And the individual income. Now if I kind of this is low the with saving has kind of hand count. Saving har kan income amasung expenditure ja. Income the expenditure khaido kanda so eventually if I say like this, if A saves 20%, 20% से क्या कमाना है 20% हान आई percentage parahan tau ko CJ asi ham or the percentage han tabi o du ge na gyan ta be ne atar po ngaw ne ko 1/5 ka mane saving ni na adu ga haibudi income lupa manga phangma tam da saving lupa ma phangne ha ne se रे expenditure क्या था रे पमरी ताद्रो है ना तब बीजू सेफ 30% है हमने 30% है 30/100 है तो सीजन है मागी इनकम पतरा फंगो तब दा एक्सपेंडिचर क्या था नहीं बा सेविंग क्या था नहीं बा हम फंगे बा और एक्सपेंडिचर क्या था रे 10 - 3 दी ini ado ko idi yang masida ayonda a gi masain hajo a amasung b gi income saving di yang jo apel me so ne a gi income lupa manga phangma tamda saving kya tongni ba pa ma taw b gi di income lupa 3 taw ma tamda saving kya taw ba ahum taw adu ma hara me but the saving are in the ratio 4:9 mabani saving do hana kedo bas mana tham ga ha hana mana han biro tu kedo ni mana ma tong da mo na pa me photo pen thoni mo tham me so ai sida han kana multiply to ne 4:9 like dun 3 na ko multiply to de sida yar ba is na 1 na multiply to de mana ba adi magi income expenditure ju kai da na bas multiply to ro pull up to dum to ra ga de pull up tam tam to ga de 3 1 3 5 15 133 rest aduga hoje ke ba mana matung da 4:9 da hen do ne ba now again multiply a da na kya saving do 4 ana kya da 9 da 4 is 12 ungla ni ko this is last multiplying factor 4 is 12 15 4 is 60 9 3 is 27 9 10 is 90 है ba तो ra ga de akoi hoji ma nang ni find their individual income hang mane income of a ga b ga ratio is 60 ga 90 ga thole thon kanda 2 3 is 6 3 2 6 3 is 9 adi lesing manga na tro manga da divide tor ga di ama lupa lesing ani phangani ama lupa lesing ahum phangani jina kan sing ma tare unga di tare hai ne ko jo gyan ta dra ga jo mem han jan ni ko gyan ta ka de ado chapter number 1 de yeng lo adu na hen nuai do ni ko asi khag yeng ga kai tai no na gyan sa ta da bo ra ga di it's better to off and see the first chapter otherwise ngau ba kang yaw ni na de an chapter 1 yaw de so ro sis income of A and B are in the ratio 6:5 expenses are in the ratio 4:3 and the saving are 300 and 300 find the sum of the income income of A and B is 6 ka 7 ga leres income ga 6 ka 7 ga har ga di 6 plus 7 ni kya ta ge 13 da bra 13 na divide taw ya ba number se lere only this must see tare ko I will income of A ga B ratio 6 to 7 piram amina amana lesing taruk lesing taret oi ba dro jana kan kya ta 10,000 ta tai di na horen non answer last putor to do income to 6 divided by plus la kari na 6 plus 7 13 la withdraw into something never so if you cut this nang na phangkado answer do sida phangkado answer tarai ba answer do adugi divide tor kan tarai ne ba yarba 13 dugi multiple ore do de tani ko natraga 6 units siga mana re something are ye ni pull ga hang pare na 13 you take kya manare hai and you have to, you are going to something that you have to going to multiply by 13 again. So this is the case. We can solve this question like this also. Dum yengo income expenditure ki da paisa hanga ga di idong kitang wang na hayam ni mabani ki tinjana bodo mabani ki sum of their income of A hange khalo, then 6 ki multiple yengo, income of B hanga ga 7 ki multiple yengo, income of AB har na 6 plus 7 yeng tare dra, and difference har ma ga 6 plus 7 ki difference ti 1 ni 1 divide taw ya number lo yare anu yeng mai mathau le te hot ya ro ko. So yes, we can do this way. Adubu combine of 4 kani dong haram ga, you can do it your home. Income of A B ga leibdo income expenditure A B has 6 7 later, expenses no 4 3 later. So saving the pyramid ko di saving do mabani hana gap manabra have the proportion chanabra yengani chanare 1 1 gap later chanare 6 minus 4 is 2 tare 7 minus 3 di kya tare 3 4 tarwa. So 2 is to 4 later chanai jung 2000 ga manare 4000 ga manare hai tarne. Income is sum has 6 plus 7 ni kya no taroidra. Am I right? It's very simple as that. The ratio mark obtained by Ram and Raghu in entrance exam is 4:5. Ram and Raghu 4:5 never. Raghu scored 5 mark more than the cutoff scored, and Ram scored 3 mark less than the cutoff score. Then find the cutoff kya no hai. Are ne Ram na Raghu na phangi na mark manga he na phangi cutoff mark to gi. Cutoff mark khangi na me cutoff hai je. Pass mark hai tare ko pass mark to gi mana manga phangi. Aduga Ram na score tawjuna cutoff to gi mark ahum wale. Adudi cutoff amale mone ba. I don't know cutoff to x na har ge. Mabani ki difference kya lage mo. Ado cutoff to yeng mabani ki mark ki difference kya lay do no har ga di. Hujik amana mark manga hian ba ma amana mark ahum wat ba ma. Samna har ba da cutoff se 30 ne har je. Raguna phangi jina 35 phangi ba. Ama jina 20 ga 5 phangi ba. Mabani mark kyam khena ge har do mabani difference khana roi dro. Mana magi mark ne cutoff gi 30 gi mark manga hian bani are. Mana cutoff gi mark manga hian bani mabani difference har de 10 ta dro. Ado mana khanga ma ga khoi unit ta ki we mark ama difference le ba. Mark ama jiga mana mark manga ma hian ba mane amana ahum ta ne nipan ta re. Ado ga di Ram gi di kya ta re 4 unit 8 4 32 ta re. Raghu gi di kya ta re putho 40 ta re. Cutoff to kya no hang bani Ram de lords Ram na phangi mark kun thain thoi phangi ma je ma ahum wale pass ta da ba de ahum do hapi ra kan pass ta do into 35 ta re angon de yang na 40 phangi ma je ma cutoff to ma he nga me ma do khai do 35 ta re. You can see either case. Okay, with this I will wind up the session, but I am I'll come to the ratio proportion give mixture and solution tor ke ko hayen. I will bring as much as possible, but view kitang ham view me am share do ka or ga akoi gi ju kitang yeng ke hai tare hawa yaw na to ni me thaw yaw view kha pass na ji anobam proxy ko di chalo chalage aduga det eng sa jo that 20 the class ano honi fan to join evening we start me am share to yawning ba le ga ju on to biro. Thank you guys.